If you're encountering the Matchmaking error 2025 in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to enjoying the game with your friends. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or their social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or another platform, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection for better stability. Step 5. Update game and drivers. Make sure that Baldur's Gate 3 is updated to the latest version. Additionally, check for updates for your graphics drivers and any other relevant software that may affect the game's performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and get back to your adventures in Baldur's Gate 3. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.